Econic. I'm Courtney and I'm going to show you how to heat seal our Econic home compostable packs today. Firstly, a little bit about Econic for those of you who haven't met us before. Our Econic compostable packaging range is designed here in New Zealand and allows our eco-conscious customers to reduce their impact on the environment while still retaining the same level of functionality and food safety for our products. Today we are in the Convex lab to talk about how to seal our plain, ready-made Econic bags. You can order these bags direct from our website. These bags are unprinted to allow you to cost-effectively brand your product however you want. You can customise the pack by adding a label, a stamp or even stickers to match your company's branding. This is an easy way for you to trial our packaging in a small order before scaling up to a larger order or ordering your own customised printed Econic packs or form fill seal films. One of the most commonly asked questions that we have from our customers is how to seal our Econic bags. So today I'm going to show you. We have two impulse heat sealers here today. We have a foot operated one and a hand operated one. And these are the most commonly used heat sealers that we would suggest for customers who are starting up their business and need to heat seal their bags. Econic packaging usually seals at a lower temperature than your standard packaging, so your non-compostable options. So we generally tend to go for temperatures around 100 degrees depending on your film structure. So it's always good to try this out before you start packaging your product. So today we're going to be sealing a few things. We're going to be sealing some different types of coffee, some tea, and we have a few extra examples at the back there. So when you have a craft Econic bag with gussets, you generally want to seal it in two steps. So if we are going to use our hand impulse sealer, we want to seal it on both sides because the heat in this only comes from one side of the heat seal bar. So you pop your bag down. If you see on the side here, our nozzle is only turned to about 3.5, so that's quite a low setting. And then we're going to bring the seal bar down, and once we push it down, this will initiate the heat. So we'll push down, you might hear a little click, and that's the sound of the heat. And then when we bring it up, the heat will be on this side of the bag. So you can see a little seal, but we also want to ensure the other side of the bag is sealed as the heat has not got into this area of the bag. So we're going to seal it again in the same position. Bring the arm down, let it click, and there you have it, a nicely sealed bag. We also have our Econic clear bags here, and they seal in the exact same way as our craft bags. So again, we just pop it down on here, and we push our arm down, and you can see a really nice seal right across the top of the bag. Because this is only 2 layers and we don't have a gusset like this, sealing just once should be fine to have a very strong seal on the top. We have our larger craft Econic bag here, which is filled with some powder, some icing sugar, and we can seal these bigger bags with our larger heat sealer here. This is our foot sealer that has heat on both sides of the seal bars, and one burst of heat should be enough to seal both sides of these gussets. So we have to put the film into the sides. So we're going to push down on the foot pedal, push it down, let the heat go into it, and then we have a nice seal on the bag, and we should have really good seal inside the gusset too. Lastly, we have our vacuum sealer, which has a inbuilt seal bar inside the machine, which we need to seal the bag as we're vacuum packing it so we don't let any of that vacuum out of the bag. So you can see just down here, here's our seal bar. So when we push this down and just pick this up, we're just going to let our machine warm up before it vacuums and seals the bag. Cool. So now that we've vacuum packed our bag, we're just going to open it up, take out our bag, and you can see our vacuum actually has two smaller seals on the top, so that is making sure it's twice as well sealed, so that if there is any areas where it isn't, we've still got the double seal. So if you need any further technical support, we're happy to work with you to get a result that you want or develop a customized pack perfect for your products. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below, or you can go to our website here.